Yeah, this is JVN Dr. Brajraj Singh Chauhan, Associate Professor, Jyoti Vidyapeeth, Women's University, Department of FEM. Program is BSc, B.Ed, PCM, 5th SEM, and course is Pedagogy of Mathematics. Session of today is contradiction method. So, contradiction method, here definition of contradiction is given here. Here in this method we start with the assumption that the given statement is false. Then by the rules of logic we arrive at a contradiction contradicting the assumption, and hence it is inferred that the assumption is wrong. Hence, it follows that the given statement is true. Let us illustrate this method by an example. So, this is the contradiction procedure. Example is prove that root 3 is an irrational number. So, by the definition, we suppose opposite of which is to be proved. Here we have to prove root 3 is an irrational number. So its opposite, we suppose that root 3 is rational number. So in this case we suppose root 3 is a rational number. Then if it is rational number, then it can be expressed in the PYQ, form of PYQ, where P and Q is integer, and in P and Q there is no common factor and there is no division in P by Q. P and Q is different, there is no common factor. So root 3 can be expressed as P by Q. Now squaring both sides, if we squaring both sides, we get 3 is equal to P square upon Q square. And multiplied this equation with Q, and we get another equation 3Q is equal to P square upon Q. Here in this case P does not divided by Q, so P square cannot be divided by Q square. If any number is not divisible by other number, then its square does not divisible by the square of that number. So if P is not divided by Q, then P square does not divided by Q square. In the third equation, 3Q is equal to P square upon Q. This shows P square is divided by Q 3Q times. Here 3Q is the integer. 3 is integer and Q also integer. So 3Q will be integer. P square, here P square divided by Q integers time, whereas it is not possible. So this shows the contradiction. This happening is not possible. P square is not divisible by Q, but in this equation P square is divisible by Q by the integer time. So this shows the contradiction. This is contradiction, hence our supposition is wrong. Our supposition was root 3 is rational. So by this contradiction our supposition is wrong. If our supposition is wrong, then its opposite is right. So supposition root 3 is irrational, root 3 is rational is wrong. Then root 3 is irrational, this is right. So root 3 is a irrational number. This is the proof of this problem. I hope you are satisfied with this session. If you have any query, please mention in comment box. Thank you very much.